Good evening from AfricaCom 2025 here in Cape Town. I'm together with Richard Smith, CEO at EKT. Nice to meet you again here in Cape Town.
Nice to be here again, Akim. Yeah.
Richard, what is EKT showcasing this year at AfricaCom?
As a company we have many products, but we're trying to be a little bit focused on what we show here. So of course the interest is always on cost. So we've got integrated televisions, we're pushing our DVB NIP technology again, and just trying to offer our customers what they want rather than what we want ourselves.
Okay, that's good. So there are a lot of conversations around DVB NIP this year. So what is it and how does it differ from traditional DVB?
So traditional DVB has been with us, is the digital version of a video system that's been with us since the 70s, right? The problem with traditional DVB is it's not friendly to mobile devices. Okay. So what DVB NIP is, it addresses that problem, and we are now using a stream format, a video format that is friendly to mobile devices. So this means we can stream to all devices and give a multi-device experience rather than a singular device. Yeah.
So what is the opportunity for African operators or African service providers with DVB?
Well, Africa is still largely a greenfield site for satellite delivery of content, which is one of the main uses of DVB NIP. And within Africa, you have a huge potential with still a very few professional operators. And it gives an operator the opportunity to offer a close to OTT experience using satellite, which is a very efficient way of covering Africa.
So what are particular use cases for DVB NIP?
So of course with DVB NIP you have NIP, NIP. We have perhaps your traditional idea where you could replace a DTH operation which is using old style DVB with DVB NIP.
So more legacy.
More legacy. So, but you also have some new use cases. So you have, for example, anywhere where there is a mobile network, let's say in a cafe or a shopping center or a bus train, you can enhance that existing mobile network with video. So we receive the video with DVB NIP, we inject that video into existing Wi-Fi infrastructure, and you can then service all your clients and give them a better experience. So there's some new opportunities that arise through DVB NIP which would not be available with traditional DVB.
So is there any kind of benefit for rural or semi-rural areas with DVB NIP?
Well, rural areas potentially would not have good connectivity, or let's say affordable connectivity, right? So one of the use cases would be to create a local hotspot. So let's say in the village you have a community center, and we can create there a hotspot where we are delivering over satellite, linear and VOD and perhaps educational products, and anyone then can access that without the need of internet. You see, so this could be an example of rural use of this.
All right. So you're also showcasing EKT Operator TV. So what is it and why is it relevant for African operators today?
So this is just an evolvement of an existing set-top box. So conceptually what we've done is we put the set-top box inside a television at a very cost-effective television, right? And by doing that, we save a lot of money because you save plastic housings and cables and things for this. And again, offering operators in Africa a way to really improve a viewing experience with a better TV at a very cost-effective price point.
All right. So finally, what are the new products or updates for this show, except what you mentioned?
Yeah. So we continue to push DVB NIP because that really is a core technology that it's been around for a few years now, but is really the future of multicast broadcast. So anything on satellite or terrestrial, this is really the future. So we continue to push that. We are the number one in this technology in terms of maturity of integration. So we're able to demonstrate this technology. And that's important because when you explain to someone multicast, unicast, multi-screen, it's quite complicated sometimes, right? Especially when you're trying to explain to perhaps financial people in an organization. So if we can demonstrate it, if we can show it, it's a much more effective way of doing that. And that's what we're doing here at AfricaCom. We're demonstrating the technology so that operators can understand the benefits that they can get from that.
So how's the technology perceived by the operators?
They all love it. They all love it. And they all go, well, what's it going to cost and how we're going to implement it? So, and of course, then you start a conversation that in Africa could be many years, right? But,
You need to be patient.
Yeah, they all love the technology, yeah.
So, but you're optimistic.
Totally, absolutely, yeah.
That's good, that's good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.
Thank you for you. Yeah.
Thank you. There was TechAfrica News from AfricaCom 2025. You can find more on techafricanews.com.